Yeah, when does Santa Claus come? What time of year?
Friday.
What time of year does Santa Claus come?
Night.
At night. Yeah, but what is the holiday when Santa comes? What are we celebrating?
Nice.
What?
Nice. Half a roses. It's Christmas.
Christmas? Okay, alright. What does Santa Claus look like?
Real.
Huh?
Real.
Yeah, he's real.
He's real, but what does he look like?
He has sunglasses and says,
He has glasses? And what?
there's nothing else. No sun out there.
No, there's no